Before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bioc. Just a quick disclaimer though, that this is not actual financial advice, and we are not financial professionals. Which is priced at around $4 right now, and is expected to almost double its price really soon. We're going to discuss the same in this video, so make sure you keep watching until the end. Bioc stands for Biocept Incorporated, and it's a molecular oncology diagnostics company. It's making pioneering steps in tumor cells and nucleic acids of tumor cells by using a standardized blood sample. Bioc has not been really volatile than the rest of the market, and has been in the ±8% movement every single week, which is a good sign, and shows that it's not really fluctuating a lot in recent time. And it's a good option considering the current situations of the market. If we're to consider the volatility in the last year, then that too has been really considerable, and it's not too serious, and thus, it's a good sign as well. It's been around 8% in the recent times as well, which is a good sign. The PB ratio of Bioc is around twice, while the average of US biotech's industry is around 3.3 times. This is a good sign, and the investors are really impressed with this. The average of the whole US market for the same is around 2.6%. Hence, you get the idea, right? The revenue of Bioc is around 22.9% per year, and the same for the US market is just over 9% per year, so another good sign, and shows that the value is more than twice when it comes to Bioc. For the high revenue cost as well, the value of Bioc, which is around 23%, is more than average 20%, so another good sign, right? Now let's discuss the liabilities. You must know that there are two types of liabilities, right? For those of you who don't, one type of liability is long-term, and the other is short-term. So let's talk about the long-term liabilities first. The assets of Bioc are valued at around $35 million as of now, and this is more than long-term liabilities, which are just around $11.9 million. The long-term liabilities are also valued at around $35 million, while the short-term liabilities are just $11.6 million. This is a great witness to the future prediction of any stock, and these numbers show a promising future for Bioc. Now, talking about debt, you'll be happy to know that Bioc is completely debt-free. This means that there will be no sudden changes in the price of the stock, and this makes so that your investments will be safe and trustworthy hands. The average management tenure of Bioc is around 4.8 years, which is really promising. And the current CEO of Bioc is Michael W. Nall. He's been in the health industry for more than 30 years, and he's been the CEO of Bioc since 2013 now. He has a great resume and knows what he has to do in order to be there in the competition. He has made quite a name for himself with his company now, and he is one really reliable CEO. He has a tenure of more than 7 years now and has compensation of around $1.7 million. And as far as the board of directors is concerned, they have an average tenure of more than 10 years, and they have 73 years as their average age. So, this shows that the board of directors is also very trustworthy, and the decisions made by the company are likely to be really wise and not at all rushed.
It's sitting right here at its previous support.
But this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.